Nissan is recalling 443,899 models for VC turbo engines that could possibly fail. The Nissan Altima, Rogue, and the Infiniti QX50/QX55 are models that have or had the complex variable compression engine with bearings that could fail. Dealers will inspect the engines, and in cases where it's necessary, they will replace the engine for free. Nissan's novel variable compression ratio engine is at the center of a massive recall that involves nearly 444,000 models. The Nissan Rogue is the brand's most popular model in the United States, and as a result, it accounts for the majority of the recall population, 348,554 total units. The Nissan Altima, as well as the Infiniti QX50 and QX55, are also among the models that are being recalled. According to a recall report that Nissan submitted to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, on June 26, 2025, the issue involves bearing failures. The report specifically identifies the engine's main bearing in the A, C, and L links, which may be defective and could cause engine damage or failure. As a result, Nissan is recalling 2021 to 2024 Rogues and 2019 to 2020 Altimas, 5,685 total units, 84,536 Infiniti QX50S, 2019 to 2022, and 5124QX55S, 2022, are also part of the recall. Land vehicle, car, automotive design, mid-size car, automotive exterior, Lexus, grill, family car, automotive lighting, Mark Urbano, car and driver. 2019 Infiniti X50 front exterior. Mark Urbano, a car and driver Nissan's VC turbo engine, is the only one in production that can vary its compression ratio. It's designed to optimize either torque or fuel economy on the fly, and it took Nissan 2 decades and 300 patents to bring it to life. A turbocharged 2.0-liter version of the VCT first appeared on the 2019 Infiniti QX50 and then migrated to the Nissan Altima. The Rogue adopted a variable compression 1.5-liter Turbo 3 for the 2021 model year, and it remains the compact SUV's only engine. Nissan states that the bearing failures occur gradually rather than instantly, so drivers will likely have clues that their engine is on the fritz. Along with vehicle warning lights and messages, Nissan says drivers may hear an unusual engine noise or feel the engine running rough. Ideally, people who own vehicles involved in the recall will bring them into their dealer to address the issue before sustaining any damage or failure. Dealers will inspect oil pans for specific metal debris. If nothing is found in the 3-pot VCT, a technician will replace the oil pan gasket, engine oil, and reprogram the vehicle's ECU. Only the engine oil will need to be changed if no debris exists in the Turbo 4's oil pan. If there is debris where it's not supposed to be, Nissan says that it will replace either engine free of charge. A reimbursement plan will be available for owners whose warranty has expired. Dealers will be notified by July 15. Owners would begin to be notified on August 25, 2025.